If you're a self-taught data scientist or considering self-education in data science, this video is for you. First, let's define what we mean by self-taught data scientist. A self-taught data scientist is someone who has learned data science through self-education, rather than a formal degree program or a boot camp or a structured program that you signed up for somewhere. So while self-education can be a great way to learn data science, it's important to be aware of the challenges and pitfalls that self-taught learners may face. So why do self-taught data scientists sometimes struggle to succeed in the field? Here are 7 top reasons. Reason number 1, lack of a structured learning plan. One of the biggest challenges of self-education is staying motivated and on track. It's easy to get sidetracked and or become overwhelmed when learning data science on your own. That's why it's important to have a structured learning plan in place. And this should be specific goals, resources, and a timeline to help you stay focused and make progress. Platforms like Google Calendar, Trello, and Asana can be helpful in creating a structured learning plan. Reason number 2, limited access to resources. Another challenge of self-education is access to high-quality learning materials. So while there are many free resources online, these may not always be sufficient to give you a deep understanding of data science concepts. And that is why it can be helpful to invest in paid online courses or materials. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX, DataCamp do offer a wide range of data science courses and materials that you could also look towards. Alternatively, you may be able to access academic resources through a school or even a particular library. Reason number 3, insufficient practice and hands-on experience. Data science is a practical field, and it's important to have hands-on experience in order to succeed. And this can be a challenge for self-taught learners, as it can be difficult to find opportunities for practical experience. However, it's important to seek out these opportunities wherever you can. And this could include internships, projects, or even creating your own projects to work on. Platforms like LinkedIn, Intern Match, and having a personal portfolio website can be helpful in helping you secure opportunities or even find opportunities for hands-on experience. Reason number 4, lack of support and guidance. Learning data science on your own can be a lonely and overwhelming experience. That's why it's important to have a mentor or community to turn to for help and guidance. And this could be a formal mentor relationship or simply a community of fellow learners to connect with. So platforms like Reddit, Data Science, Stack Exchange, LinkedIn groups can be great places to find support and guidance. Reason number 5, inability to stay current with developments in the field. Data science is a rapidly changing field, and it's important to stay updated with the latest developments and techniques. And this can be a challenge for self-taught learners, as it can be difficult to find the time to stay current while also learning the basics. Make an effort to regularly read industry news and publication, attend events and conferences, and continue learning throughout your career if you are a self-taught data scientist. Platforms like Kaggle, DNuggets, and Data Science Central can be helpful in staying current. Reason number 6, poor foundation in mathematics and programming. Data science is built on a foundation of mathematics and programming, and it's important to have a strong understanding of these subjects in order to succeed. This can be a challenge for self-taught learners, as it's easy to skip over or skim through foundational concepts. So make sure to thoroughly learn and practice math and programming concepts before moving on to more advanced topics. So platforms like Khan Academy, Code Academy, Coursera, and many others can be helpful in building a strong foundation in math and programming. Reason number 7, Difficulty in applying knowledge to real-world problems. One of the biggest challenges of self-education is learning how to apply knowledge to real-world problems. It's important to have experience applying data science concepts and techniques to real-world problems in order to succeed as a data scientist. Do seek out opportunities to work on real-world problems and practice applying knowledge through case studies or hackathons. And there are many platforms that can help you do that. Something like platform like Cargo can be helpful in finding or creating opportunities for applying data science knowledge. So those are the top 7 reasons why self-taught data scientists may struggle to succeed. It's important to be aware of these challenges and to take steps to address them in order to increase your chances of success. This may include creating a structured learning plan, investing in learning materials, seeking out hands-on experience, finding support and guidance, staying current with the developments in the field, building a strong foundation in math and programming, and learning how to apply knowledge to real-world problems. Do you have any other additional tips or experiences that you might have in mind and you'd want to share about those particular experiences with other people or viewers in this video? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments, and we hope this video was helpful and gave you some insights into the challenges of self-education in data science, and can now be able to take those steps that will fill in the gaps that you probably might have. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.